Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Timestripe for beginners. First, open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, then in the address bar at the top of the browser, type in the URL www.timestripe.com and press enter. This will take you to the Timestripe homepage. On the Timestripe homepage, look for a button that says Start for Free. This button is usually prominently displayed to encourage new users to start exploring the platform without any initial cost. Click on this button to begin the registration process. You will now be presented with different plan options that Timestripe offers. There are several plans to choose from, each with its pricing and features. The basic plan is free and provides essential features for personal use. The monthly plan costs $15 per month and includes additional features for more extensive use. The yearly plan is priced at $750 per month but billed annually, offering a discount for long-term users. The Strategist plan costs $5 per month and is tailored for users who need strategic planning tools. For this guide, let us select the basic plan, which is free. Click on the basic plan option to proceed. If you don't already have an account, you will need to create one by entering your email address and creating a password. Alternatively, you can choose to sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. This is often quicker and more convenient. For example, if you choose to continue with Google, click on the Continue with Google button. A new window will pop up asking you to select your Google account. Choose the account you want to use and click on Continue. You might also be prompted to click Allow to grant Timestripe access to certain information from your Google account. Once you are signed in, you will have the option to explore more about Timestripe by selecting Why Timestripe. This section provides an overview of what Timestripe can do. You will learn that Timestripe is designed as an all-in-one tool to help you organize everything from daily tasks to long-term goals. It is suitable for both personal use and team collaboration, offering a holistic planning experience. Next, you can explore the Boards feature. Boards in Timestripe are essentially containers for your goals. They help you categorize and organize your goals efficiently. For example, you might have separate boards for personal goals, work projects, or hobbies. You can either use predefined templates provided by Timestripe or create your boards from scratch. Click OK to start creating a new board. To add a task to your board, click on the area designated for adding new tasks. For instance, you might type Test Task as a sample task. In the description box that appears, you can add more details about the task, such as first task and second task. Timestripe also allows you to enhance your task descriptions by adding emojis, inserting attachments or images, and creating sub-goals that break down the main task into smaller, manageable parts. On the left side menu, you will see an option labeled Hours. Click on this to specify the time required for each task. You can set deadlines and timeframes for your tasks by navigating through the options for days, weeks, months, and years. This helps you plan and allocate your time effectively over different periods. The Horizon section is another useful feature in Timestripe. It allows you to view your tasks in broader context, divided into weeks, months, and years. This way you can sense your short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals all in one place, helping you keep track of your overall progress. In the inbox section, new tasks or ideas are initially stored. This is a great place to quickly jot down any new thoughts or tasks before you organize them into specific projects. From the inbox, you can move tasks to different stages, such as in progress or done as you work through them. The Insight section is designed to give you an analysis of your productivity and task completion rates. By scrolling down, you can see detailed insights into how well you are managing your time and achieving your goals. This information can help you identify areas where you might need to improve or adjust your planning. In the Gallery section, you can find various templates that you can use to structure your tasks and projects. These templates provide a predefined structure that can help you get started quickly and ensure you are covering all necessary aspects of your task. The Climbs feature in Timestripe offers pre-designed sets of tasks that are integrated into your calendar. These are aimed at enhancing your skills and knowledge over time. For example, you can select a climb like 75 hard motivation and tips. Click on Get Started to view all the tasks within this climb. Scroll through the tasks to see what is included and select one to view more details. You can add your notes and thoughts for each task to personalize your experience. You can also set other climbs to explore different areas of interest. To manage your climbs, go to My Climbs, and here you can see the climbs you are currently working on and review your progress regularly. This helps you stay on track with your personal development goals. Finally, revisit the Insights section to continuously monitor your productivity and ensure you are making steady progress towards your goals. This continuous review helps you adjust your plans and stay focused on achieving your objectives. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.